The typewriter arrived at midnight, wrapped in yellowed paper, no return address. My office smelled of iron and dust as I fed it the first sheet. The keys clicked with unnatural ease, spelling out words I didn't intend. Let me out. I froze, hands trembling. I hadn't typed that. I tried again, but every word I pressed twisted itself, forming messages, pleas, warnings, threats. The room grew colder, the air thick with something unseen. Shadows stretched along the walls, pooling beneath the desk like dark water. The typewriter rattled violently, its carriage jerking back and forth, spitting out paper after paper, each sheet covered in frantic, desperate handwriting. "I'm still here," the last one screamed in thick black ink. I stood, heart pounding, but my feet wouldn't move. My hands, as if possessed, returned to the keys. The machine hummed, hungry. I watched in terror as my own fingers began to bleed words onto the page, each letter tearing at my will. With every sentence, I felt myself fading, ink replacing blood, until the final line appeared, "Now you are the story."